gonna go pay for parking. We've decided to come to Poole Park. I say we, it's just me today because I dropped off Shane. Out of service. Okay, just need to pay for parking. Okay. Okay, we've got until 11. Oh, we're going, mate. Chill. Come on then, let's go walkies. I'm going to bring you with me. I'm going to bring you with me. Just get your lead. Here we go. There's your lead. Bring your bag in case you get knackered. Right, let's go. Okay, I'm clawing at the door. No, I'm not forgetting you, am I? I am not forgetting you, mate. I think there's a running event. So, wanted to take Chester to Poole Park so he could socialise. I think it's going to work out a bit better than I expected from the sounds of it. Someone's eager. He's running. I wonder if he's part of the event. Chester's a lot like more bushes over this way. Very more interesting and more doggies. How tangled his lead is. We need to sort this out. Look at him, he's so eager. You really want to go to the park, don't you? See all the runners. It turns out he was really eager because he needed to poop. I mean, he's still pretty eager, still pulling, but poor little guy was absolutely desperate. Chester, you can't go near the geese. Come on, buddy. No, you leave them. Chester, this way. Good boy. You've got to leave the geese alone. They're not there to play with. Chester, you're going to stay settled for a bit of cheese? Huh? What's that noise? Is that a train? Yeah, buddy? There's definitely an event going on. There's all these people in pink high-vis vests just standing around, and I can see others warming up. Poor little ducks over there chasing a female, I think. I don't think that's part of the event. It is absolutely bitter this morning. I've got my what is it, my down jacket, my waterproof. I've got 2 layers underneath, and I'm still so cold right now. But I thought this would be a nice sunny day to take Chester out, get you socialising in a new place. Ain't that right, mate? We've not come to Poole Park with Chester yet. It's not too far away for us to come, but I think it's just one of those things we've never got round to doing. I mean, you're only 6 months, you've got plenty of time to do this sort of stuff, ain't they true? Look how clear the water is. But it's blooming cold though. I really don't know how swans and like seabirds actually cope with going in that water. They've got such skinny little flappy legs. They don't seem bothered by it. This is exciting. What's going on? Definitely a running event happening right now. Chester's being really good. He's just sort of sitting there and watching them as they all go past. There's absolutely hundreds of people. I don't know what this event is, but we got caught in between. We were stuck between the water and all the runners. We should have gone on the green area, I think, but at least this way we could be by the water. Hey, it's strange doing this without Shane. Come on, Chester. Come on, buddy. I think he's seen the dog over there. Nice place to get ice cream on a cold day if you want it. Oh, fancy a coffee though. I don't know if it's because of all the activity, but Chester was really good with letting that dog go past. He just sort of pulled a little bit, but he was mostly just looking. Weren't you, mate? Come on, Chester, let's go. Good boy. I do wonder if it's just because he has a bit of an outburst of energy at the beginning. He gets too excited, wants to see everyone, but once he calms down, he does seem really good. Interested in the swans though, aren't you? I don't think they're going to be keen on you though. Come on Chester, let's go. They'll hiss at you. They're not dogs, I promise you that. There's all the stragglers. Or people supporting, I guess. Chester. Good boy. Are you being nice and settled? While all this activity's happening. Do you deserve a bit of cheese? Oh, I'd say that's a yes, isn't it? Good boy. Very pretty with all the sun sparkling on the water. You getting impatient? Huh? You want to keep going? We've been sat down for about 5 minutes and Chester's just been sitting and watching everybody as go past. It's been really, really good. Just thought I'd talk a little bit about Poole Park. Like, it's a fairly local park, but we don't really come here too often. I don't actually know too much about it. I don't know if any of you guys do. If you do, just throw it in the comments. But it is a lovely location to come to in the summertime. Like, they have a lot of little cafes around here. They do those little swan boats in the lake, and as you can see, there's always events here. There's loads of places to sit, and if you can see, there's a walk all the way around the lake, and they've got these little exercise stations there as well, like those sort of gym equipment that you can get. And there's a train that's quite local, goes past. Poole town centre's not too far away. And there's a lot of photos actually of this area during Victorian times. So I don't know if it was actually created during Victorian times or whether it was before then. And the Victorians just enjoyed it a lot. I think there's actually a remembrance garden somewhere around here. I think it's further up that way. We'll have a look, because they've got all of these war memorials. Well, I say all of these. There's one right here. We'll go have a look at that. There's tons of seating area. You've got ducks. So if you've got grandkids or kids or just yourself, whoever really, if you enjoy feeding the ducks, got plenty of them. I love this tree here. In the summertime, children are all over that. You can probably imagine. It's nice and low and not too far if they fall. It's a soft landing. Right, we're right by the memorial here, so let's have a little look. Oh, there you go. Poole Park during wartime. And there's the memorial that I was talking about. And just let's go have a look. What was that for? House Commons. There you go. Better look. Looks like it's made out of fake flowers. It'll last longer. Just a spluting all over it. Nice little garden, this. Very well kept. Oh, you can see all of the crosses in the ground here. I'd not noticed that before. Sorry, Chester, I'm on his lead. I didn't mean to throttle you, mate, I promise. Some more over here with those painted rocks. Yeah, look at that, Chester. That's cute. Oh, they've got names on them. Don't eat it, Chester. It's in remembrance. Oh, there's another sign over there. Let's go have a look at that one. It's about the memorial. There you go. Chester likes to show off his spluting skills to people that pass. There's some gentlemen that just went past us that were quite amused. Little black legs going out like the frog. I think we're going to start heading back now because it's quite a bit of a walk for Chester. But I hope you enjoyed joining me. It's a bit of a random walk, this one. Oh look, there you go, spluting skills. Oh, Chester. You said you've been putting a lot of practice into that, haven't you? Tiny little daffodils there. Chester, let's go and look at the daffodils. Are you too busy splooting? You can't look at the daffodils? Huh? Oh no, is this far more interesting? Well, you can see it from a distance at least. Oh wait, there we go. So out of curiosity, I looked up the history of Poole Park, and there was a zoo here. I don't know whereabouts, maybe, I don't know. I mean, there's a tennis court there, maybe it was over there, but it had a Himalayan black bear. And it was open between 1963 and 1994. There's a fact for you. I mean, it's every day's a school day, right? I love that though, because it's amazing. We go to these places and we don't think about necessarily the history of them or what was here before. And this place was opened up by the Victorians. It opened up in 1890, and the land was donated by Lord Wimborne. So I wonder if that's why Wimborne's called Wimborne, because it was actually a lord with the surname Wimborne. I have to look into that, because we do plan to take you to Wimborne at some point. Oh, Chester, you've been so good. There's all of these little swans going past. There's a cygnet there. Oh no, there's a couple of cygnets. They've all got brown feathers. Sort of fading out now, but Chester's very good with that. He was watching them, weren't you, mate? Do you think Chester deserves a bit of cheese for that? Chester, do you want a bit of cheese? Because that was very good. Oh, he's wandering off. Chester? Do you want some cheese? You did very well there. I need to find where I put it. Oh, Chester, mate. Where's your cheese gone? You're trying to be organised and I think I've dropped it somewhere. Oh no, mate. I can't promise you something and I'll give it to you. What sort of person does that make me? Where the heck is it gone? I've got 6 pockets on me. Oh wait, no, found it. Panic over. You were panicking, weren't you, mate? Yeah, look at that face. Look. That's a funny noise. Chester. Chester cheese. Cheese, Chester. I think the swans are going crazy. Oh, no, there he goes. Just as my back's turned, he goes and grabs the cheese. You're a sneaky little one, aren't you? Now you're all over my phone. Oh dear. Any more facts for us? Let's have a look. I mean, I don't trust Wikipedia completely, but it's got a few things on there. I think those were the ones that I pointed out, probably the most interesting ones. Oh, another one. This used to be meadows and marshes. So they really did the place up. I mean, this is a man-made lake. It's a lot to make, isn't it? I don't know if that's seawater. I think that might be seawater, because over there, I'm pretty certain it goes underneath and through to Poole Park. And you got Poole Park, you can actually see the Purbex in the distance. Have we had enough of a break, do you think? Shall we head off? Don't know if he's getting bored now. You getting bored of looking at the swans honking? Oh, that one's got his butt in the air. They look elegant until they do that. Chester's starting to sunbathe in the sun. Maybe this isn't so bad. As I said before, this is a bit of a random trip to Poole Park, but I had some free time today. Usually I meet up with my mum and my sister, but they both were busy. And while Shane's at work, I thought, it's a lovely day. Why don't we all go out for a walk? No reason why we have to wait for anybody, is there? Such a nice day. I think it's going to cloud up later, so I don't want to waste the sunshine while we've got it. And Poole Park is such a pretty little location. I know it's not like countryside or anything, but it's nice to explore other new things. Chester's spinning me around here with his lead. I hope you enjoyed joining me for this little wander. Not really able to do anything other than socialise Chester as well, so maybe we'll do a couple more of these if you enjoy them, because I quite like it and I think Chester does too. Shane and I do have a walk planned for tomorrow, and we're going to, I booked off Tuesday from work as well, so we're going to do something on that day too. Don't know what, but that's the whole point of wandering, isn't it? Join us for those, and if you are enjoying these, please like and subscribe. Really look forward to having you in the future, because our walks are going to get longer and longer. Oh, there he goes, back to splooting. Is it a good time to do that, Chester? Yeah?
Chester rates Poole Park 4 out of 5 paws. He particularly loved how many places there were to sploot, and also loved the massive white ducks that kept affectionately hissing at him. He can't wait to come back to try and ride one of the big white ducks in the next few months or so.
Chester, we're almost at the car. Do you want your dental stick? Come on. There we go. That's how far we had to get to the car. You want some cheese? Chester? Mate, do I give you some cheese if you get in the car? Cheese. Oh, that's a good boy. There we go. Chester, where's all your cheese? Look, it's down here. I'm thirsty. Good boy. You want some more? You don't like the cap. Here you go. Is that better? All done? Good boy. Should we go home and get your dental stick? Chester, do you want your dental stick? We get home and you can have it. Yeah? We'll do that then, shall we? Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Oh, good boy.